Assalamualaikum lovely people, Maheen here and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to tell you some tips that will help you become confident. So, when I was a kid, I used to be missing out on a whole lot of things because I was a very introverted person. That used to make me very sad when, on the other hand, other kids my age would be playing outside in social gatherings. I would be really sad, but these tips really helped me become confident and making new friends and becoming social. Now, the first point is getting out of your comfort zone. This is a very important point. Many people are afraid to do this, but I'm just here to let you know that everything's gonna be fine and you're gonna be okay. Just get up, just change little by little, just change your routine and make it better. For example, if you like cooking, make a new recipe, go for a walk, do exercise, or just do what you love. Just have a little 5 minutes or 10 minutes on something that you like to do. Point number 2 is to set small goals for yourself. Now trust me, make them small and don't just take a large step ahead. You have to make it small. For example, exercise. You're doing 5 push-ups a day. Make it 7 or make it 6. And when you achieve that goal, celebrate it. Now, the question may arise, why would we want to celebrate on such small goals? Because this will build confidence in yourself that you did something. You did something new, you did something better, you improved yourself. So celebrating is a very important step. Now let's jump on to point 3. Now this is a very important point, so stay tuned all of you. So the third point is positivity. Just think positive and just throw all the negativity into the trash and just focus on the positive thoughts. Now, by thinking positively, you will become a better version of yourself. Positivity helps you focus on the small little things in your life which are good, and that will eventually make your life better. And that will eventually help you become a better version of yourself. Now the last point is being kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Only focus on yourself and do not compare yourself to others. Don't think that, oh my gosh, she can do this, she's my class fellow, I can do it better. Don't do that. Just focus on yourself and just focus on the daily improvements that you have made on yourself, not others. Now this is the end of the video. I really hope that this video will help you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Bye!